Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be working on this beautiful stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, and also you can use this in your gent sweater. See, this is the way it looks like. This is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 extra stitch 21 and 2 edge stitch 23. So row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 1 2, purl 2 and then purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn. 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 6 1 2 7, purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done purl 2, purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 2 4 6 7 and purl 1. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat that again. Purl 2 1 2, purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 sorry 4 1 2 5 1 2 6 1 2 7 times and then purl 1. We have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, purl 1 edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 2 1 2, knit 2, then from these 7 stitch first unwrap 4 1 2 3 4, unwrap and slip 4, and these 4 stitch we're gonna flip all together. These 4 stitch flip like so, right? Flip this 4 stitch and then we have here 3 more stitch, 1 2 3, these 4 and these 3. We're gonna knit this 7 together through the back loop and make 7 here, right? Knit this 7 together through the back loop and make 7 here. So 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 these 7 stitches and knit 1. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 2, 1 2, unwrap and slip 4, 1 2 3 4, and then flip 4 stitch like so, and then unwrap these 3 and slip 1 2 3, and now these 4 stitches and these 3 stitches. We're going to knit all 7 together through the back loop and make 7 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 to 7, make 7, and then knit 1. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1 edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, purl 7 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 7, 2 4 6 7 and knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 2, 1 2, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and knit 1. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1 edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, purl all stitches. We have done half repeat, and for next half repeat we're going to knit this pattern here and this pattern here. So row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, edge stitch, slip, and then before you start the repeat, first purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and then purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7. Purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn. And the last 2, we had, that's the repeat from here to here. After this 5 stitch, purl 3, purl 7 with 2 times wrapped yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 9, edge stitch, slip, and then start the first knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, and then unwrap and slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then flip 4 like so, and then slip 3, 1, 2, 3, and now knit this 4 and this 3, knit this 7 together through the back loop and make 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern, knit 3 and these 7 stitches. You're going to repeat this repeat pattern, and after you finish all repeats, 2, 4, 6, 8. We don't have enough stitches for another repeat, so for a last 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10, for row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch, slip, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the repeat. 2, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3 and purl 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. And your last 8 stitch, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. See, this is the repeat, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.